We are pleased to show you the 2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, XM satellite radio, traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, stability control, heated seats, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.